Hi, hello. My name is Krisha Mesa. The past reporter tells about what is aerobics at saka yung the other two types of aerobics, which is yung dance at saka yung hip-hop. Ngayon naman, itatakal ko naman or i-report ko yung other two types ng aerobics, which is yung high-low aerobics at saka yung funk and jazz aerobics. So, first, yung high-low aerobics. Yung high-low aerobics naman ay may fast speed routine at saka faster movement which works yun on your thigh or which yung legs at saka yung calf or yung binte or yung masa mo sa binte, yung sa likod. Tapos, yung heart mo, syempre, tsaka yung abs. Tapos, this type of aerobics then is for the beginners kasi it less injury. It focuses on your lower cardiovascular, which is relates to circulatory system, which is yung heart mo, tsaka yung blood vessel na nag-aano ng nutrients and oxygen. Tapos, it combines to ng high impact at saka low impact. Yung high impact, ito naman yung nag-i-impact, which is yung sa muscle mo. Syempre, ang goal natin, kaya tayo gumagawa ng aerobics, which is to burn calories. Syempre, dito sa high-low aerobics, we move one side by slanting position. Yung pangalawa is funk and jazz aerobics. Funk and jazz aerobics naman is an endurance cardiovascular exercise on the basis of dance or sa pagsayaw. Ito yung mga movement na may mga jazz steps, funky twist, at saka yoga. Syempre, itong aerobics ito ay low impact. Ito rin yung nagbibring ng funky tempo na nagkakaroon ng party atmosphere. Itong funk and jazz aerobics is for fun exercise. Yan. Thank you.